Hi, this is Ray Evans with the Pegasus team at Infinitas Wealth Counsel. And anytime there are tough stock markets, it seems like economists can't quite get more fired up than to predict recession. In fact, there's a great old saying that economists in the United States have predicted 84 of the last 12 recessions. And that's about right. It's actually pretty amazing how many times recession is predicted and doesn't happen. This first chart that I'm going to show you goes back to 1942 and shows you in the gray shaded areas the times that we've actually been in a recession. And we've had 12 recessions in the last 80 years. And the reality is that the stock market, the ascending chart going up to the upper right-hand corner, that's the Standard & Poor's 500, continues to fight through recessions and accelerate with returns of approximately 11% a year. And to really go into a little bit more detail, if you break down those 12 recessions going back 80 years, as this second chart does right here, you'll see the recession start date in the first column, the recession end date in the second column, the return or loss right before the so-called recession started, the return during the recession, and then look at all that green to the right. The returns 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years later. And you'll notice the average return, second line from the bottom, 1 year after recession is over 20%. 3 years later, almost 50% on average. 5 years later, almost 100% on average. So it's difficult. It's hard to grind through a tough market, number one. If you're grinding through a recession and there's the other elements that are associated with a recession, that makes it really tough to stay true to your beliefs regarding what you own, the percentages that you own them in your portfolio, and whether they will ever recover. The reality is they do, and when they do recover, they tend to bounce super hard. If you'd like a copy of either of these charts, ray.evans@pegasuskc.com, and I will get those in your hand. Hope you're doing well. Take care. We'll talk soon.